Hello everyone, in this video let's discuss about the selection sort algorithm. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe for more engineering related topics. Now, how to solve the selection sort problem? First, index the number of elements. That is, start with 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So therefore, we indexed the given list of elements or then array. Now what we will do, find the length. So what is length? Number of elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So therefore length will be equal to 7. So using the length we can predict how many number of maximum steps are required to solve the selection sort problem of the given question. So what will be the number of steps? N minus 1 steps. What is n? N value is the length value. So therefore 7 minus 1, which is equal to 6 steps, are required to solve this selection sort problem. So what we will do is, so we will make two sublists. What we will make? Two sublists or two subarrays. So one will be of sorted and another will be of unsorted. What is sorted and unsorted? Sorted means we are doing the sorting operation. What sorting operation does is, it will arrange the given elements or the number in the increasing or decreasing order. If it is increasing order, ascending sorting. If it is decreasing order, so we can sort them in ascending or descending order. Most of the examiners will be asking to sort the given array in the increasing or the ascending order. That is increasing order. Let's sort in the increasing order itself. So in sorted sublist we will be getting the values in the increasing order. In unsorted we won't get like that. So we will make two sublists and solve the problem. At starting of the question we will consider the full given question or the given number of elements or the array as a complete unsorted sublist. As a complete unsorted sublist, then we are going to sort one by one. Now, as I earlierly said, consider the full given array or the elements are the unsorted sublist. So first select the smallest number. So what is the smallest number? The smallest number is 6. Now you swap the smallest number with the first element of the unsorted sublist. Smallest number with the unsorted sublist's first element. So 15 and 6 will be swapped. 6 will come to 15's place and 15 will go to 6th place. All other elements will be same. 28, 17, 12, 18 and 9. Therefore this 6 is now sorted. So this will be the sorted sublist and this whole will be the unsorted sublist. Now at this side in the unsorted sublist, what is the smallest number? That is 9. So 9 will be swapped with the first element of the unsorted sublist, that is 28. 28 will go to the place of 9 and 9 will go to the place of 28 and other elements will be same as it is in the previous step. Now our sorted sublist has come up to the 9. This is sorted and this whole will be unsorted. So here 28, no? So 28 went to 9th place. Now what is the smallest value in the unsorted sublist? That is 12. So the 12 will be swapped with the first element, that is 17 of the unsorted sublist. 17 will go to 12th place, 12 will come to 7th place. 9, 6, 18, 28, 15 will be as it is. So up to here my sorted sublist has came. Now first element is this one. Smallest element in the unsorted sublist is 15. So 15 will be swapped with 17 and 17 will go to the 15th place. All other elements are same. Now my sorted sublist has came up to here. Now what is the smallest value? 17. What is the first value of the unsorted sublist? That is 18. Therefore 18 and 17 will swap. 17 and 18. All other elements will be same. Now my sorted sublist has came up to here. Now if you see, 28 is the first element in unsorted sublist and 18 is the smallest number. Now 18 will be swapped with the 28. 6, 9, 12, 15, 17, 18 and 28. So how many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total in 6 steps we have sorted in the increasing order of the number. 6, 9, 12, 15, 17, 18 and 28. So this is the process of sorting the given problem in selection sort, that is in ascending order. Hope you understood the concept. If you like the video, please subscribe for more engineering related topics. Please support us. Thank you.